Hey, what's up, weirdos? So I'm back with another video, and this one is a DIY. Exciting, right? So I'm gonna show you how, obviously as you've seen in the title, how to turn your old leggings into a two-piece Kim K inspired outfit. So let's get into the video. So first, what you want to do is fold your leggings in half and make sure they're even on both sides. Make sure your crotch area is laid out nicely, it's all smooth, and find a place where you want to cut. Now I've already done this before, so I know where I want to cut, so I don't really have to measure or try them on. But if you want to try them on and see about where you want them to be, you can go ahead and do that. But since I know, I'm just gonna cut mine and then we'll get back to the video. Both legs are cut out, and now let's move on to the top. Your shorts are done, so you can go ahead and get those out of the way. And now we will focus on the top. Cut along the seam on each leg. I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Okay, now that you have your pieces pieces cut, all you need to do. Okay, so this is my finished bandeau top. Like I said, I just sewed down the sides. I cut off that top and sewed down the sides, and then I flipped it inside out. Depending on what leggings you have, which most of us have, stretchy leggings, so it doesn't really matter if you hem the top. You can if you want to, but I don't, just because most of the time it looks fine anyway. And the same with the shorts too. Now I wanted to say that you can, like I said, use the glue for the sides, or you can even just hand sew it. And then I just used my sewing machine because it's the easiest for me. So I'm going to put this on and I will show you what the finished result looks like. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you liked this DIY Kim K inspired look. I hope you guys recreated. Super simple, super easy, under 5 minutes. So with that being said, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. You know the deal. See you in my next video.